another exciting episode. So today we're doing a crazy colours experiment. So I've got my safety goggles, the most important thing. I've got these 2 scoops. I've got some tartaric acid and some hydrogen carbonate. I've got some litmus blue powder, and that's everything. So first I put on my safety goggles. So now I need one of these and of this into each one of here. So I'm going to open it up. Blue litmus powder out of it. So now let's put that in there. And now I'm going to get another. So now let's add it into a different cup. Done. Now I'll put that down. But first I'm going to stir it. Stirring it.
Cool.
Now I'm going to put that down. Now I need to add some of that 3 scoops of this tartaric acid. So now I'm going to add the tartaric acid into this cup. 3 scoops. 1, 2, 3. Now let's wait and see what happens. Put the lid back. So that one is turning red. Now we're going to need to add some of this sodium hydrogen carbonate into this glass. 3 scoops again. Look at that other one. 1, 2, 3. Now put the lid on that and watch what happens to that. So one's purple and one's red. So now let's watch what happens. Let's give this one a little bit of a stir. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir. No, I'm just going to stop. They both look cool. So, I think it's going to change colour again. So now let's pour. I do recommend it's going to change colour again. Whoa, it's creating bubbles and fizzing. It's caused like a reaction. The tartaric acid and the hydrogen carbonate is causing a reaction, causing it to fizz. This is cool. Now let's pour the rest in. See if it keeps it going, fizzing a bit more. Wow, it made it fizz a bit more again. This is cool. It's because the 2 acids are causing carbon dioxide, causing all that thing to fizz, which is really, really cool. Now, that's everything. Remember to like and subscribe.